Hello, friends. Welcome to English Simplified Quiz Channel. Subscribe and comment your score. Was and were challenge. Was and were are the past tense of the verb to be. Was is used for first-person singular and third-person singular. Were is used for second-person singular in all plural forms. Use there was if the subject is singular, and there were if the subject is plural. Let's see some examples. I was taking a walk around the neighborhood. It was a beautiful day. You were late 3 days in a row. We were worried something was wrong. There was one balloon at the party. There were hundreds of balloons at the party. Quiz time. Do your best. I was in Canberra last spring. We were at school last Saturday. Tina was at home yesterday. He was happy at the restaurant. Robert and Stan were Gary's friends. You were very busy on Friday. They were in front of the supermarket. I was in the museum yesterday. She was in South Africa last month. Jessica and Kimberly were late for school. What is your score? Write on the comments. Thanks for watching.